In Thai, when you want to say don't, there are different degree. When you want to say don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. In Thai, there are different words that you can use. อย่าทำ don't. อย่า is the equivalent of don't, right? ห้ามทำ ห้ามทำ ห้าม means you're not permitted to do it. It's a bit, more strict than the word อย่า อย่าทำ ห้ามทำ What about the really, really strong word to say you cannot do it? If you do it, you're dead. Kind of stuff like that. You would say เด็ดขาด at the back. เด็ดขาด ห้ามกินโดนัทในตู้เย็น เด็ดขาด Don't eat the donut in the refrigerator, or else you're dead. เด็ดขาด is like this is what I say and this is the final word. Okay. ห้ามพูดคำหยาบ เด็ดขาด Don't swear. Don't swear. You must not swear. Very good. ห้ามยิ้ม เด็ดขาด You must not smile. เด็ดขาด Okay, very good. Thank you. So don't forget to use the word เด็ดขาด when you want to really show that this is the final word and you have to do like what I say. Okay, thank you very much. See ya.